Hi there, I'm Max. I'm a working student from GK Software. Today I want to tell you about my opinion of virtual factories. I think virtual factories will have a high impact to factories in the future. In an IoT 4 world, they can solve as many problems and connect as much devices as you can. Imagine that you have to integrate a company in an existing and productive environment. So you can use the standardized IoT interfaces of the virtual factory to simply integrate and communicate with these components. It will be much easier to get information out of the system, and all components can be administrated as simple as possible. So virtual factories will increase productivity and economy benefits in the future IoT world. So be well prepared for it.